Hey, what's up everybody? NeverEnoughTech here. Apple keeps dropping product. Today, the refreshed 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020. Let's keep it simple with the 5 biggest changes. Number 1, new processor. The higher tier SKUs include the 10th gen Ice Lake Intel processor with faster integrated Iris Plus graphics. The highest tier gets you a 2.8 GHz quad-core i7, which can reach 4.7 GHz with Turbo Boost. Apple is touting over 2x computational performance gains compared to a dual-core system, so some system released before 2019, I guess, and up to 80% faster graphics rendering than you could buy previously from a 13-inch model. Number 2, memory. You have the option for faster memory from 2133 MHz to 3733 MHz. Also, the support range was extended from 32 GB from 16 GB in 2019. So if you're treating yourself, you are looking at twice as much memory with a 75% speed improvement. It's progress. Storage. Let's multiply all storage tiers by 2. So in 2019, you got 128 GB to 2 TB. In 2020, you get 256 to 4 TB. Number 4, keyboard. Apple continues to poo-poo the old scissor-style keyboard, just throwing it under the bus, erasing it from the records, and embracing the old butterfly magic keyboard. Like the 2016 MacBook Pro, the arrow keys are returning to the inverted T form. Number 5, speakers and mics. The speakers added Dolby Atmos support. I don't know, so burn your Sonos speakers, I guess. And the existing 3-mic array added directional beamforming. So expect much crispier audio. I'll be honest, I have not been impressed with Apple's mic enhancements lately. Looking at you, iPad Pro 2020. Price. The 2 baseline prices for the 8th gen Intel models with 2 Thunderbolt ports are $1,300 and $1,500. The 2 baseline prices for the Intel 10th gen models, or the 2 models that one can maybe call new, are $1,800 and $2,000. Base configurations range from $1,300 to $2,000, with a $2,000 model getting you a 10th gen 2 GHz quad-core i5, 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB of storage. The fully maxed configuration will set you back $3,600, with the 10th gen 2.3 GHz quad-core i7, 32 GB of RAM, and 4 TB of storage. Seems like a lot for a computer with integrated graphics that can't be upgraded. Bonus round. The higher-end 2020 model can support a 6K 60Hz monitor, where the 2019 could only support a 5K 60Hz monitor. Both the 2019 and 2020 models can support 2 4K monitors at 60Hz. Only minor form factor differences. It's 3% thicker at 0.61 inches from 0.59 and 2% heavier from 3.02 pounds to 3.1 pounds. It seems Apple has gotten a bit more practical with the performance bulk trade-off. I'm guessing most of you are willing to be slightly less sleek for some significant performance gains and a real keyboard. Sorry to those hoping for a 14-inch screen, not this year. Anyway, short and sweet, is there a place in your life for this MacBook? Some reason you would choose this over the Air, 16-inch MacBook Pro, or iPad Pro? I'm interested to know. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.